In today's video, we are going to cover how to categorize expenses in QuickBooks Online. Start by opening the QuickBooks Online website and signing in to your account. Once you are signed in, look to the left-hand navigation menu and select Expenses. This takes you to the area where QuickBooks tracks outgoing transactions. From there, open the section where you manage your expense transactions. Depending on the version or layout you see, this can include expenses and bills or another related transaction list. The goal here is to get to the screen where individual expense entries are listed and available to review. Next, find the expense or transaction you want to categorize. If you have a long list on screen, use the available filters to narrow the results. Filtering can help you locate a transaction by date range, vendor, status, or another available detail so you can focus on the item that needs attention. When you find a transaction, open it and look for the category field or the account field. This is where QuickBooks determines how that expense will be recorded in your books. Select the account that best matches the actual business purpose of the purchase from your chart of accounts. For example, if the transaction is for a software subscription, choose the account that matches software or subscription expenses. If the purchase was for office materials, select the office supplies account or the account your business uses for that type of expense. Do not choose a category based only on a familiar vendor name. Review what the purchase was actually for, then match it to the account that best represents the expense. Before saving anything, review the rest of the transaction details. Check the vendor, the date, the amount, and any other information shown in the entry. This helps confirm that the category you selected fits the transaction correctly and that you are editing the right record. If the transaction needs to be split across more than one category, enter the appropriate amounts under each account as long as the transaction type you are working with supports splitting. This is useful when one payment covers more than one kind of business expense and each part needs to be recorded separately. After the category is set, click Save and Close or use the equivalent save option shown in your QuickBooks screen that records the change and updates the transaction in your expense records. It is also a good practice to review categorized expenses regularly. Accurate categorization supports cleaner profit and loss reports, more reliable financial statements, and better tax-related records. If you are unsure about a tax-related category, check with your accountant before making changes. Thanks for watching. Your QuickBooks Online expense transaction is now categorized and saved in the appropriate account.